Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps in your MacBook. So what you're going to do is open up the Finder, then from the left hand side click on the applications. Okay, here you can see the options, click on the applications. Now these are all the applications that are installed in your MacBook. So these applications, there are some system applications, then there are applications that you have installed. So if there is any system application, then you won't be able to uninstall it. Okay, you can uninstall the applications that you have installed. Alright, suppose this is a game here that I have installed, Truck Simulator. Okay, now what you're going to do is simply click here just like this. Now in order to uninstall it, you need to simply move it to bin. Okay, click on move to bin here, and now it will ask for the password. Simply enter the password here. Okay, so once you enter the password, click on OK, and now the application is deleted, or you can say now the application is uninstalled. So this is how easily you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.